Okay, so let's continue with our practice problem number 8. Movie ratings using stars. 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, 5 stars. So we are given movie ratings using stars, 1 to 5 stars. So we are required the level of measurement. So the solution, the data is in ordered scale, but gaps may not be equal. And then the final answer is ordinal level of measurement. Practice problem number 9. Position of runners in a marathon. So we're given the position of runners in a marathon. The first, the second, the third, and many others. So required, what is the level of measurement? So our solution, the data is an ordered ranking only, and there is no measurable gaps. So our final answer, ordinal. Practice problem number 10, educational attainment of parents, elementary, high school, college, graduate school. So given educational attainment, elementary, high school, college, graduate, and then required the level of measurement. So our solution, the data is ordered levels of schooling. So the final answer, it is an ordinal. Practice problem number 11. Temperature recorded in Celsius for 1 week. So we are given temperature recorded in Celsius. So required level of measurement. So with regards to the temperature recorded in Celsius for 1 week, there exists equal intervals. But of course, 0 is not an absolute one. So the final answer, it is an interval level of measurement. And then practice problem number 12. Intelligent quotient scores of 10 selected students. So we're given IQ scores of 10 selected students and required level of measurement. So solution, equal intervals exist, but 0 IQ does not mean no intelligence. So the final answer, it's an interval. And then practice problem number 13. Years when Philippine presidents were elected. So we're given years when Philippine presidents were elected. So required the level of measurement. Solutions, years have equal intervals but arbitrary 0. And then the final answer, it's an interval. Data. Practice problem number 14. The time of the day recorded in 12-hour format. Example, 2 p.m., 7 a.m. So we're given time of the day in 12-hour format. So required the level of measurement. So solution, it's a circular measure. Intervals exist, but no true zero. So the final answer, it is an interval. And then practice problem number 15. Calendar years of Olympic Games. So we're given calendar years of Olympic Games. So we are required the level of measurement. Solution, years follow equal spacing, but 0 year is arbitrary. So the final answer, an interval. Practice problem number 16. Heights of students in a classroom measured in centimeters. So we're given heights of students in centimeters, required levels of measurement. Solution has through 0, meaningful ratios. So we're give final answer, it's a ratio. Practice problem number 17. Ages of participants in a community survey. So given ages of participants in a survey, so required level of measurement. And our solution, the data has through 0. So ratios make sense. So the final answer, it's a ratio. Number 18, weight of grocery items in kilograms. So we're given the weight of grocery items in kilograms. So required level of measurement. Solution has absolute 0 and ratios, of course, are valid. So the final answer, ratio. Practice problem number 19. The number of hours students spend studying per week. So we're given number of hours students spend studying per week. So required the level of measurement. So the solution, 0 means no studying, ratios valid. And the final answer, ratio. Practice problem number 20. Monthly income of families in a barangay. So we're given monthly income of families in a barangay. Required level of measurement. So our solution should be through 0 exists, no income, and ratios are valid. So the final answer is ratio. And this time, we will now go to MCQ, the quarter 2 data and probability, lesson number 15, classifying data by levels of measurement in statistics. MCQ number 1. The blood types of patients type A, type B, type AB are an example of which level of measurement? A. Nominal, B. Ordinal, C. Interval, D. Ratio. Number 2. The ranking of students in a singing contest. First place, second place, third place belongs to which level of measurement? Is it A. Nominal, B. Ordinal, C. Interval, D. Ratio. MCQ number 3. Heights of students in centimeters are measured at what level? Letter A, nominal, B, ordinal, C, interval, D, ratio. MCQ number 4. Temperature measured in Celsius is classified under which level? A, nominal, B, ordinal, C, interval, D, ratio. MCQ number 5. Civil status of employees, single, married, divorced, widowed, falls under which level? A, nominal, B. Ordinal, C. Interval, D. Ratio. MCQ number 6. The favorite subject of students, Math, Science, English, Filipino, is an example of what level of data? A. Nominal, B. Ordinal, C. Interval, D. Ratio. MCQ number 7. The number of hours spent studying per week is classified as what type of measurement? A. Nominal, B. Ordinal, C. Interval, D. Ratio. MCQ number 8. The IQ scores of students fall under which level? A. Nominal, B. Ordinal, C. Interval, D. Ratio. MCQ number 9. The calendar years of the Olympic Games 2000, 2004, 2008, etc., an interval of 4 years, are at what level? A. Nominal, B. Ordinal, C. Interval, D. Ratio. MCQ number 10. Movie ratings using stars, 1 to 5 stars, are what type of data? A. Nominal, B. Ordinal, C. Interval, D. Ratio. MCQ number 11. Types of transportation used by students, which are the bus, jeepney, tricycle, car, bicycle, are classified as what level? A. Nominal, B. Ordinal, C. Interval, D. Ratio. MCQ number 12. The weight of grocery items in kilograms falls under which level? A. Nominal, B. Ordinal, C. Interval, D. Ratio. MCQ number 13. The time of the day recorded in a 12-hour format, example 2 p.m., 7 a.m., is what type of data? A. Nominal, B. Ordinal, C. Interval, D. Ratio. MCQ number 14. The levels of customer satisfaction: very satisfied, dissatisfied, neutral, satisfied, very satisfied, are at what level? A. Nominal, B. Ordinal, C. Interval, D. Ratio. MCQ number 15. The monthly income of families in pesos belongs to which level of measurement? A. Nominal, B. Ordinal, C. Interval, D. Ratio. We will have the next part of our Quarter 2 Data and Probability Lesson 15.